Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. This week, several things you can do, easy things that you could do right now to better secure your digital identity.
Oh yeah.
Number 1, change your password. For real, change it. Make it hard. Uppercase, lowercase, symbols, numbers. The most important account for you to secure is your email. If I'm a hacker or a bad guy and I can get into your email account, I can probably get into all your other accounts.
It's like the one ring that rules them all. Email account.
Those are the crown jewels. Protect the email.
Absolutely. Number 2.
2-factor authentication. That's the really annoying thing. Commentary from the dog. That's the really annoying thing when you try to log in, they email you a code, but that can save your bacon if your password is compromised in a data breach.
Yep.
There's also Authenticator app, Google Authenticator, a bunch of other ones. It'll send a code, or you'll open the app and read a code or tap yes.
I would turn on 2FA for all the things.
All the things.
But if you're only going to do it for one thing, like we said, do the one thing that rules them all, and that's the email. Yeah.
And if I were able to get you to do 2 of them, anything with financial, so Amazon, bank, all that stuff should have 2FA.
Okay, number 3. Don't listen. Where is it? To the robot voice.
Critical alert from Microsoft. Your computer has alerted us that it is infected by a virus and/or spyware.
It's lying
This
to you.
virus may be sending your credit card details,
It's not.
Facebook login, and personal emails.
It's not doing any of those things.
remote.
It's not doing any of those things.
Liar.
If you need, you could watch. We posted in our stories of how to get out of that, but if you have questions, give us a call.
Absolutely. Number 4. We cannot stress this one enough. We've talked about it many times. Back it up, Terry.
Back it up, Terry. Put it in reverse. No, for real though, back it up. Make a backup, even if all you do right now is you email yourself that one critical file that if you lost it, you would be set back weeks on your job. But even better, cloud backup, set up OneDrive, set up Carbonite, just, put it on a flash drive.
An external drive.
External drive.
There's so many options, y'all.
So many.
Please just
iCloud,
Google
Photos,
Google Drive, like you name it.
Any of the things. Just make a backup copy. We've talked about this before, but fire, disaster, meteorite, asteroid, bandits, ninjas.
Week in and week out, we deal with customers who don't have backups and they lose their data, and it's very heartbreaking for us to have to tell them that.
Yeah, and it can be super expensive to get it back. Number 5.
Just don't drop your device, because an actual quote for a laptop that we were going to replace the screen, $400.
Yep. And not even a very nice laptop, just very difficult, hard to find parts. So dropping your device can be a very expensive repair.
Another reason not to drop your device is because someone dropped their device and they actually damaged part of the circuit board, which caused certain peripherals to not work anymore.
Yeah. A damaged surface can stop working.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it. That's our tech tips this
Those are
week.
the tech tips. Just 5.
5 of the easiest
simple
things.
Tips. So simple. You could do this all right now. You could stop dropping your device before this video is over. I believe in you.
True. Don't put it on top of your car.
No.
The dog.
Commentary provided by our welcoming committee. Come on, Close Hill. Say hi.
Say hi.
Good girl. Good girl. All right. Tech Tip Tuesday is out. I don't know how it's. There we go. There's the rhythm. No one watches the end of these videos anyway, so if you're watching all the way to the end, you should leave some sort of reference to whatever this is called. All right. All right, good girl.